Okay, I'm taking my GX 460 to do a service, so it's got the oil change and the regular, fluid refills. But today I'm going to get the crossbars done, so I can put a cargo box or cargo carrier on top, and of course I'm going to get a tow hitch on there. Now these tow hitches, what I understand, I had to wait almost a year for this thing because it took a long time to order it. So I don't want to be waiting again in case it goes out of stock. So I'm going to install the tow hitch, and and I'm going to pick up a loaner today, so I'll do a review on that too. Alright, so here's my Lexus GX 460, and they've installed the OEM tow hitch. Look at that. There's the electrical connector, the tow hitch, and let's open my door here. We got the crossbars. Now I can put my cargo box on top. This is OEM as well. Looks pretty cool.